Am I supposed to eat it like that? Am I supposed to chew? Is that bubblegum? Oh, say hi to my gorilla.
お前はもう死んでいる。
Hi guys, it's Faye. So today I'm finally going to be unboxing and trying out some snacks from Tokyo Treats. This video is obviously not sponsored. I just wanted to try out these snacks with you guys. Also, I miss these kind of snacks. So I know I say this probably like every video, every second of my life. But like, I'm so sorry I look so crusty right now because, you know, I just finished finals literally yesterday. I have not gotten much sleep. I have not opened this box yet, so it's going to be my first impression. Oh my god, this is so pretty, guys. So cute. It looks like it has a lot of snacks inside, so I can't wait to try them. The box that I got is the premium one because I wanted to like try out everything that they have. I think they have another option that's the classic one, but it has like less snacks to try. It's supposed to be like a subscription box. Speaking of subscription, my subscription is free. Tokyo Treats community. This is so cute, so adorable. Oh my god, I should stop saying adorable. I'm so sorry for my last video. I just kept saying adorable. Okay, I'm so overwhelmed. I'm like excited. I don't even want to touch. They look so cute. I think I'm gonna start with this. I've seen this character before, but like I don't remember what's it called. It says, oh my. Let's try it. Oh, opened it. I don't think I can finish all the snacks today because I'm leaving tomorrow. These are so cute. Oh no, probably for this video I'm probably going to be saying cute for everything. Like last time I said adorable for everything. But oh my god. It's like a little potato. It's like so fluffy looking. Smells just like. Smells like a snack I used to have when I was a kid. I miss. Okay, let's try. It's so good. It's so good. I'm about to cry. Wow, I really like this. 10 out of 10. It's sweet, but not so sweet. It has like flavor. It tastes like these energy bars. It's not the protein bars, but it's like energy bar. Continue eating them later. So the next snack, we're gonna go with this one. This looking thing. It looks like this. And the back looks like this. Okay, so my phone ran out of storage again, so I had to offload some other apps. I can't open this. Why are they open like this? I don't like it. No. Okay, so I like this. It's not such of a wow, but I like it. The taste, this one's salty, an 8 out of 10. Did not ignite so much joy as the first one, but I like it. This one, so it says yaki cone, like it's corn. Okay, let's try lucky cone. I struggle to open all of them so much. Okay, I'm just gonna tear it from now. It's just kind of sad. Oh my god, the texture. I think by now you guys know that I have a thing for fluffy, like puff kind of snacks. It's so tiny. It's like cheese puff, but I guess it's corn. It's so good. The first one was definitely better. This one's like less flavory. Yeah, it's like cheese puff, I guess. But like, yeah, let's like give 8 out of 10. They also come with a drink. I was actually expecting ramune. I'm so disappointed. Seeing other people get ramune for like this box. I got it Pepsi Cola. Please. Yeah, I guess it's okay. It looks cute. Japan Cola. Cola all the way from Japan. I'm gonna drink that later. This one has been catching my eyes for a long time. Look, it's a Pokemon. Dragonite. It's so cute. my god, look, it has like these on the back. It's so cute. Don't know what's like it's gonna be like inside though. Let's see. Fluffy again. It's sweet. Thought it was gonna be salty. Oh, interesting shape. I think this is good for like breakfast. Oh my god, it's so cute. Wait, are they all shaped like this, or they have like Pikachu shaped? Wait, so like they have this, so I guess they're all shaped like this. It's so cute. It tastes so good. It tastes like, I don't know their name, but it's like a cereal, Choco Puff. I think Choco Puff, Choco something, but it's like chocolate. So I give this one 8.5. This one looks really interesting. Ooh, it's a big roll. Ooh, it's just one big roll. So how am I supposed to only eat a little bit? This tastes like the first one. Exactly like the energy bar that we used to get. 10 out of 10. Am I supposed to like binge eat all of this later? Because like, I can't give it to anyone. I already opened it. This one says Merry Christmas. Roll again? Yeah. So it looks like this. Okay. I don't know how to feel about this one. It's sweet and it melts inside your mouth. Not exactly my type of tea. I wouldn't like to go buy it. It's still kind of good though, so I guess I give it a 5 out of 10. Another kind of bowl. It's a cute one. Strawberry ichigo. Ooh. Should have worn my strawberry sweater. It smells so good. It smells like strawberry. It's squishy. I was expecting like another roll, like a hard roll. Oh, it's like a bread. It's like perfect sweet. I will continue eating it later. This one I give 7 out of 10 because I guess I'm not really like into cake stuff. Ooh, the next one, choco mochi. Ooh, I get mochi. Ooh, I have not eaten mochi in a while. I wish they came in like a little package so I could like, you know, give it to other people. Oh, it comes in little packages. It comes in little ones. Oh my god, bless. I can finally give other people some of these. Okay. I was like expecting squishy mochi, but they're kind of like chocolate. They're kind of like chocolate bites, but I'm pretty sure it's going to be like mochi consistency on the inside. This is so good. It's mochi consistency inside. So good. I will give it an 11 out of 10. Let's go with another roll with the same character. Whenever I see the character, I think of Doraemon. It tastes like the energy bar, but this one's like more flavored. It has like more flavor. 10 out of 10. Go with another roll looking thing here. Oh, let's go. The packaging is so cute. Oh, I forgot to read. Whatever. supposed to eat it like this? Is it or chew? Is it bubblegum? Super sour flavor in 3 soda. Bubble gum. I'm eating bubble gum right now. Bad idea. One time I don't read sour bubble gum. What do you think about this? Korilakuma. Okay, so this one's okay. If you like sour, this one's cute. It had like a weird consistency at first. Rated 5 out of 10. Because like I don't really like sour stuff that much. Another Christmas theme. I mean, this is December box, so it is Christmas themed, but like Santa Claus. Ooh, it's so soft. It's like a makeup pad. You know what, guys? I love this kind of candy because like it's so fluffy outside. I love it. It's like soft, fluffy, squishy, fluffy. And inside there's chocolate. 10 out of 10. Kit Kat. Probably the biggest. It's from Kit Kat. Sparkling wine. Wine? I'm confused. Can I eat this? I mean, try wine for the first time in snack. Oh, you know, here I was just looking at this last time. So like here, you take a pen or whatever and write something in here, and when you open it, it'll have like whatever you wrote like, carved into the chocolate. Let's try it actually. It didn't really work out that well. Let's try it. Wine chocolate with strawberries. Oh, there's 2. Don't know about this one. It matches. Don't know. Don't know what wine tastes like. 3 out of 10. Yeah, it's marshmallow. I don't know what else is. 6 out of 10. This one looks cute. Oh my god. I know this tastes like those worm gummy. Tastes like dentist. 6 out of 10. Well, that's chewing candy. Make sure it's not bubble gum. It's round again. It looks exactly like the bubble gum. They're not scamming me, right? Too much sweetness. Too much snacks. 5 out of 10. And last one, this funky looking box. Oh, premium box, like I think the difference, it comes with like this soda and an anime snack. Huh. It's from Meiji though. You know, the company that makes Pocky. Yay, a third snack that has mini package inside so I could give it to my friends. It's so green. My sister's gonna love it. I don't know if you're like watching this, but like it's green. It's first flush green tea. Guess you should like eat this in New Year's. Oh, it's so cute. Tiny chocolate cube again. And green tea chocolate. I love the consistency. It kind of like melts into your mouth. So love. Oh, you guys hear that? Ooh, caramel flavor or something. Flavored cola? Don't know. I think I like regular. So yeah, that's it guys. We finished trying out all of the Japanese snacks from Tokyo Treat. The box overall, I give it a 8 out of 10. It's super cute packaging and it has a lot of snacks. It's cute. If you want to try it like for the first time, then I definitely think it's worth it. I think I'd rather just like buy individual snacks. But like if you like the element of like surprise and mystery, then this box is pretty cool. So thanks for watching guys. Hope you liked it. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment something. Comment which one would you like to try. See you later.